Toyota's satellite navigation system is designed with safety and connectivity in mind, but there are times when the default settings need to be changed for your convenience. So we designed this short explainer video to help you set your navigation settings to suit your driving habits. First, always make sure the car is in a stationary position with the ignition accessories turned on. Once you've moved past the standard safety warnings, press the menu button. Select Setup via the touch screen. On the left-hand side in the Setup menu, you'll have the option to scroll through some features. Scroll down to Navigation, then select Detailed Navigation Settings, and from here use the scroll down menu on the right-hand side to navigate to driver's support information. Inside this screen you'll find the option to toggle on or off many features including school zone notifications, red light cameras and general traffic alerts. Now if we head back to the main navigation settings screen and scroll up to speed limit settings, this is where you can adjust the speed warning to suit your driving style and varied traffic zones. By default, the system is set to notify you when you drive 5 kilometers over and has been created to help increase awareness of speed limits. All new models also feature road sign assist, which helps you stay alert to changes in the speed limit. The final setting we often get asked questions about is the volume control. Press Menu and go into Settings. Then select Voice from the touch screen options. From here you'll see the first option in the menu is Voice Volume. This is where you can adjust the volume control to suit your preference. At Lander Toyota, we're committed to providing helpful resources so you can get the best experience from your vehicle and utilise its features with ease and efficiency. Oh, what a feeling! Toyota.